Okay, so now we're back, and I'm going to show you how we drop our albondigas into the pot. Okay, so we have our caldo already boiling. So what you want to do is make maybe a little smaller than a tennis ball size. And you just kind of rotate them like this. And then when you drop them, you want to make sure that you drop them clockwise. Okay, so you drop one. That way they don't all stick together. That way you don't drop one in top of another. Okay, so you make the meatball like this. And then you just drop it. And you get another one. And that's kind of what you do. Okay, you go all around. Once you feel that everything's nicely stuck together, then you can go ahead and drop the meatball, the albondiga. Okay. Sometimes I like making smaller meatballs for my daughter. Okay. But when I serve people, I like to serve them a good size. Maybe about 2 good size, or maybe 3 meatballs. Albondigas. So remember, you gotta go clockwise and then to the middle. That way they don't all sit in top of each other, and they all cook nicely and they don't stick together. Okay, you drop them. I usually make 2.5 to 3 pounds of carne molida, of ground beef. I think that's good enough amount of meat for my family, because we like to eat, you know, the next day we like to eat albondigas for about 1 or 2 days. We like albondigas. That one was kind of big, the one I just did. You don't want to make them too big either, because and then they don't cook. They don't cook right. You know, or you gotta let them sit there for a while longer. So I say maybe like a little smaller than a tennis ball is fine. That way you can serve 2 to each person. And then later, once these are cooked, they rise to the top. That's when I put in the rest of the veggies. The celery sticks that I cut up, the pieces, the bigger pieces of potato that I cut up. Once these start rising to the top, and the carrots and everything else. Once these boil and start rising to the top is when I add the rest of the veggies, and then I add a little bit of cilantro to the top. I also add a little bit of chicken bouillon, just a little bit of caldo de pollo powder. And if I want them spicy, I definitely add some chipotle peppers to the pot. Just maybe like 1 or 2 is what I do. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So we have my daughter recording. I'm the one that's putting them together, the albondigas, and I have my daughter recording, helping me make this video. And then once you have all these in there, they probably take about 10 minutes for them to cook, and they'll all rise to the top like I mentioned earlier. Maybe I could put another one over here. And I'm almost done. I should get about 1 more. albondiga out of here. So if you like these spicy, you can add some chipotle peppers with a little bit of chipotle sauce in it while it's cooking, and it just gives it a nice little kick. And there you go. Okay, so that's the albondigas. Remember, put them clockwise, and that way they don't all stack up against each other. And we'll show you the final product in our next video. So see you soon.